Spain is a country with a remarkable variety of landscapes and presents an extensive network of protected areas that are home to an important number of species. The opportunity to observe almost 400 bird species, approximately 60% of all birds in Europe, in such privileged natural surroundings, have made Spain one of the preferred destinations for ornithological tourism. Most of its flagship bird species are easy to record. Wall creeper and bearded vulture are a symbol of high peaks. The black vulture is abundant in the extensive Mediterranean forest, where it coexists with one of the ornithological pearls of Spain, the Spanish imperial eagle. Wetlands and marshes ensure extraordinary population densities. In these sites live birds in danger of extinction, such as the marble teal and the white-headed duck. Spain has significant steppe areas that are home to singular bird species such as the sandgrouse and the black-bellied sandgrouse. The little bustard and the great bustard are among their most spectacular species. The beautiful Spanish coasts gather a large number of seabirds. Under the surface, some seabirds like the Cory shearwater dance with the dolphins. The Canary Islands treasure many species that can only be found there, such as the blue chaffinch, laurel pigeon, and the Ball's laurel pigeon, which inhabit a unique forest, the laurel jungle, Lauri silva. And during migration, millions of birds cross Spain on their long trip to and from Africa. The passage of the Strait of Gibraltar is memorable. This is Spain, a paradise for birds and also for ornithological tourism.